The last issue we want to cover is accelerating thread migration, and this has to do with speeding up moving the blocks that are being accessed by a thread from one processor to another processor when the process moves. Ordinarily, a directory keeps track of which processor has cached a copy of the block, but if the thread moves to a different processor, it suffers lots of cold misses because those blocks have not been referenced by the processor that the thread has been moved to. Let's take a look at what are the steps in servicing such a miss, and we have about 4 of them here. First of all, P3 references block A. You can see that right here. P3 references block A right there. So P3 consults the directory and finds that the block is cached over here. So I forgot to mention that the thread used to be running on P1 but has just migrated to P3, and that's the reason for all of these references. So P3 consults the directory and finds that the block is cached in C1. That's cache 1. It sends a request to cache 1, which responds by sending a reply D to the requester C3. But the problem is that this just doesn't happen for block A, but it happens for A, B, C, D, and whatever else the process is referencing. So there are lots of misses, lots of repeated messages. We want to short circuit all of these messages, and so Solihin suggests adding a level of indirection to the directory. I have several questions to ask you about that, and I want to show you the diagram at the top of the window right there.